Filming.
Just the one.
Yeah. Let's go, bro. Is that? What do you think, Roger? Okay, Max. Say hello to the bag, Max.
G'day, bag.
Don't talk to my wife like that. Look both ways when you cross the tracks, Max.
Yep.
And which loco shall we take? Let's take the grubbiest one. That bag's heavy today. The sand.
Oh yeah.
Nice dry sand.
Yeah.
So when the wheels are starting to slip, it provides adhesion.
Yeah.
I'm looking for what's not right as opposed to what's wrong.
Oh yeah.
Because what's wrong will be obvious.
Yeah.
Your gauge.
Yeah.
There's 4,064 litres in there at the moment. This is the trailing cab, right? So
Yep.
we're just checking it to make sure everything's been set up right.
Yep.
It's a single loco.
Yeah.
And that all the switches are in the right places. And everything's all right here. And he's got the tail light on here for the other end.
Yeah.
We don't set the locos up, we don't do any of the servicing.
Yeah.
Other depots, the drivers do.
Yeah.
So we're supposed to be able to get on and go.
Yeah.
But
There we go.
oh, it's easy for you tall fellas. That goes in, it's all good. And test the headlights, and I always go out and check the headlights. Name is, I couldn't help myself when I said, oh, it's in the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. And he looked at me like, what the f***? I said, oh, sorry mate, there's a book I read years ago.
Your head wagon is it?
Starting doing all the paperwork.
When I started on the railways in 1979, my first stint, we were in the training school. Upstairs there was a room full of clerical workers, you know.
Yeah.
There was no computers in those days. And this gnarly old boss of the clerical workers came in to talk to the new trainees.
Yeah.
And he said, now you boys, were all males, now you boys might think that this place runs on rails, but it doesn't. It runs on paper. And nothing much has changed.
On the way, coffee's in hand. Ready for our trip.
See that green button above your head?
Yeah.
Push that button now. A bit better than that, mate. You ready to go again?
Yep.
Alright, give it a good one this time. That's more
Better?
like it. That's more like it.
Do you have to do that in the crossings, or is it just?
In the rules, it states that the locomotive engineer may sound the horn
Oh yeah.
when approaching level crossings.
Yeah.
Sound that whistle again.
That's pretty fun.
And if you get an overloaded wagon, we'll hear it come through on the radio here. Wah, 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 blah, 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 blah. In an American accent.
Yeah.
And then control will call us up and talk to us as well.
Yeah.
And quite often it can either be an uneven loaded wagon, you know, so there's too much weight on one end, or totally overloaded wagon.
Yeah. slow trip back, but we're getting there.
Why have you been going so slow?
That's not my fault, that's the train. You're the driver.
I might get to hear this thing sing underneath the bridge. So we made it back.
We did.
What'd you think of it?
Pretty cool.
Was it better than your computer game?
Much better.
No, it wasn't because you weren't driving, eh? Another night on the rail with the drone pilot. Got to earn that droning somehow, don't I?
Yeah.
So the next day, we left the cameras in my work bag, so I had to come back to get it. And this time we haven't got Max with us. We've got Aisha. Hello, Aisha. Hey. And Richard and Clary. And the baby's back there too.
Baby sleeping.